Before we even look at vendors or customers, we need to look at our company, our chart of account. Is it active or is it correct?
Then I heard about Prymage Consultancy on social media, and I decided to be part of this journey. My main focus was building on to improve my accountancy skills. It wasn't a disappointment.
I heard of this workshop through a colleague, and should I say my experience with it so far has been very good.
I've always had the vim and the enthusiasm to learn these accounting software, because at my office I use some of these software, but not particularly like the QuickBooks one. So it's been a helpful training so far for me, and I always thank the people who introduced me to it.
Personally, I have a boutique and then I have a grocery shop. Learning from QuickBooks has equipped me with certain knowledge on how to maintain and then keep record of everything that I sell in my shops.
I'm a student and at the same time an entrepreneur. I'm actually not an accounting student. I am an IT student, but with an aspiration of running a business, I have to take this class so that I know how to keep my books. And the proudest moment has been me being able to actually learn how to take inventories with a QuickBooks. It was so amazing.
Honestly, when I came, I didn't know anything about it, because coming here has been a great benefit to me.
So the parts of the training which actually surprised me was the components in the QuickBooks setup. It actually entails a lot.
I've learned a lot. I've learned so many things from it, and should I say, I'll urge anyone who sees this video to take active when there is an ongoing participation on it or something. It's really helpful. Learning it and practicing it has been easy because the tutor makes it very understandable.
Package that I found most interesting was the report aspect, especially the profit and loss one, because it's sometimes difficult when you are doing it manually, but the system automatically generates it for you, given the information you have already given to it. So it was very, very interesting.
Previous, I have no knowledge about QuickBooks, but with my training and how the facilitator was able to come down to my understanding to ensure that I understand every detail he is passing on to me, I appreciate and I know that everything concerning QuickBooks, I can do it and I understand it.
With what I've learned from this training, I think I'll use it to generate income by going to shops or inventory retail shops to work on their inventory for them and get some cash.
If you are somebody who hasn't started or do not know anything about QuickBooks, I would encourage you to partake in any meeting or any sessions that they would have, because me being here today, I have learned a lot.
So I think if you are also a startup like me, or even in the business space, and you want to take records or account of your daily activities, it is a good opportunity for you to take advantage of.
After this program, I've seen that back then we see accounting and managing of business as something complex and very tedious, but with the use of these accounting softwares, it has become very easy. It makes you efficient and it makes you effective when you are using them.
It was very amazing.